Hello everyone, this is Nathan and today's video is, today I want to show you what I got in the mail, but first I'm going to show you a letter, which I won't read but I will show on screen, and then I'm going to show you another piece of paper, and then finally the package I got. So let's get started. So as you can see, this is an awesome letter, and you can pause the video to read this, and it's from our very awesome friend David from DB Tech. And yeah, this is also what I got to show a dumper car. It's a Tyco, which I'll show a little later. We'll get there. But yeah, it'll be pretty awesome to show what I got. So let's get started. And what I got in the package is I got Swedish Fish, which I do like Swedish Fish a lot. To be honest, I really do. And yeah, there's more than just that. There's the dumper car. That's a Tyco, which I got. And it's awesome that he, as you can see, I'll open this later. But yeah, I got some cardboard strips. And that's for the Tyco dumper itself. And this is a searchlight, which is really awesome, really cool. It's actually 3D printed, every bit of it. So that's super cool. Oh, and I see it's got some trucks and some wires and stuff like that. So that's pretty awesome. Second, we got loads of awesome grass. I'll definitely put that on the layout. Oh, and I got this, which is pretty awesome. I'll definitely put that on there too. And finally, we got a Tyco Burlington Northern. And yeah, that's about what I got in the package. And I'll open up some of the things you couldn't see in the package. This is David's 3D printed searchlight he gave me, which is really cool and really awesome. And I just found out that it does this, which I already knew it does. I just mean that I didn't realize it had batteries in it, which are pretty cool and awesome. And what's even cool is I don't have to put it on the track. I can just put it anywhere and do this. So that's a cool little feature. I'm thinking of doing some really awesome things to it, like maybe my YouTube logo and stuff like that. But yeah, on to the next thing. And this is the hopper that I was talking about with the, oh my bad, it's the dumper. And the reason why I have this one is because he sent in the letter that this Tyco one doesn't work. Well, that's okay. That's fine. It can be on display or something. But yeah, I can definitely use this one, which looks pretty cool and pretty awesome even when it's 3D printed. So yeah, that's pretty cool and awesome, like I said. So yeah, that'll be it for today's video. And thank you, David, for this wonderful and awesome, surprising gift you gave me, which I do really appreciate. And anyways, this is Nathan saying goodbye and have a very awesome day.